We're so fortunate in Wales to be surrounded by all this incredible green and blue space. What really makes a difference to people's lives is to be able to access it.
It just improves everybody's mental health. It makes everybody feel happier.
Wales is renowned as an activity holiday for everybody enjoying the outdoors. Anybody who wants a bit of adventure is able to partake in that here.
Just being outside in the fresh air is just a complete tonic that we can't bottle.
Our ponies are appropriately trained. We've got a specialist mountain block. We have specially adapted tack as well for riders that only ride with one hand. We train the ponies so that they will go from your voice. If you are unable to ride but you want to spend time with the ponies, you can do that by grooming, handling. It's a lovely quiet situation setting to be in to do that.
Riders develop not only in their riding skills but in their confidence as well.
I really enjoyed today.
We just want to make sure that everybody has equal access to the park. Whether you're able-bodied or disabled, there's somebody here that will be able to help you.
That's why I cycle here down at Pembroke.
We're continually striving to make sure that we're gold standard service. We've got skiers that are non-verbal, whose parents say they come through the gates and they start getting excited, and when they leave, they're relaxed, they sleep better, so it's a win-win situation.
Wedodd y doctor wrtha I na fydden ni byth yn cerdded to. Glywes I am skifforol a ddechreuais I bant yn un o'r sit skis a thyn raddol bach o un cam i'r cam nesa nes un di Mercher wedyn ni, o'n i o'r top a dodais I lawr I lefen, siwrne des I lawr achos o'n I byth yn meddwl nil yn I fe. So, maen nhw'n bobl special, iawn, iawn.
It's really important to make sports accessible, and especially adventurous and extreme sports. You know, we see huge changes in our participants. We've had people say first ever sentences. We've had people move in ways they weren't ever expected to move, and it's almost like a daily occurrence for us.
It's great fun to be in the sea, and I love the people who run it.
The biggest joy is seeing the smiles on the slopes, and the smiles of maybe mums and dads as well that they never thought maybe their child could achieve.
No matter who you are and what extra needs you might have, you can come here and you can feel this fresh air and enjoy this beautiful scenery. Enjoy this amazing place with us, enjoy this beautiful country.